Meaning of James McNeill Whistler.
James McNeill Whistler.
James McNeill Whistler.
James McNeill Whistler.
James McNeill Whistler. James McNeill Whistler was an American-born British artist who lived during the 19th century. He is best known for his paintings, particularly his landscapes and portraits, which were characterized by their tonal harmonies and emphasis on design. He was also known for his bold personality and his contributions to the aesthetic movement, a movement that emphasized the importance of beauty in art for art's sake. Whistler's most famous painting is probably Whistler's Mother, also known as Arrangement in Gray and Black No. 1, which depicts his mother seated in a simple chair against a plain gray background.